Once again, summer is here, so are the foot problems. Cracked, calloused, and dirty feet that you will never want to put out of your shoes. Winter always becomes harsh on feet and dries up your feet, leaving thick, hard skin on the surface. Awful, right? After all this gross experience, your feet deserve a pedicure, just to get back that baby soft, smooth, and beautiful texture again. If you want to get a wonderful house pedicure, all you need is just some great pedicure tools and know the right ways to use them.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
First, let's talk about the tools you might need to conduct an at-home pedicure session. Foot files or scrapers are the most needed tool to do a pedicure. Scrapers might look like a cheese grater to you, but it actually grates down your feet's skin that are hard and cracked. There are many available types of foot files in the market. With plastic or wood handles, some feature a double-sided scraper and some in clay, glass, metal, or electric forms. You can choose which foot file suits your feet most. Number 2. Ceramic stones. Whoever has a light amount of dead skins or cracked ones can use ceramic stones to exfoliate feet and get rid of dead, cracked skin. It'll be a little softer than a foot scraper on your skin and can be a safe option. If you have a thick layer of callus, then a scraper may not be enough for you. For that, you need to use a foot shaver on the hard surface to peel off the skin layers from your feet. It might be a little scary to use a razor on your feet, but careful strokes of foot razors can remove your hard skin without doing any damage. After doing a foot scraping, pumice rub is preferred to have extra soft feet. You can get pumice stones attached to a plastic or wood handle so it'll be easier to get a grip. Or you can also use pumice in its natural state only if you prefer that. Now it's time to talk about the right steps of using a foot file on your feet. As said before, foot files are a little rough to your skin and can damage your feet if used wrong. So it's necessary to follow a few steps to do foot scraping. Soak your feet. Before using a foot file on feet, it's important to soak your feet in lukewarm water. Soaking your feet will soften any calluses or thick skin, and it'll be easier to remove the callus with a pumice stone or a foot scraper. If you miss this step, you might end up cutting your feet. Dry them up. After soaking your feet, it's time to dry them out with a soft towel. Gently dry your feet enough for using the scraper and don't dry the moisture out of your feet. Using foot scraper. Hold the foot scraper against the foot and use a downward motion to scrape off any hard skin. Continue scraping until all areas of the foot are smooth. Scrape gently. It's best if you remove the thickened skin gradually over a couple of sessions to make sure you are not too aggressive along with your feet. Only use on rough skin. Use the foot scraper where you discover any rough skin. Avoid tender or very soft areas. Otherwise, your skin will be damaged. Give pumice rub. For extra soft skin, you can pumice rub your feet after finishing with the foot file, or you can also directly use a pumice stone on your feet if you don't have too much hard skin. End up with moisturizing. After having so much scraping and rubbing, your feet might dry up into white. Moisturize them with foot cream or oil so that they can come back into life and get the baby soft feel. You can also gently massage your feet in order to increase blood circulation, relax muscles, and to relieve pain. So these are some foot filing tips that you should follow for doing a proper pedicure at home without hurting yourself. But still, there's a question left. What foot filer will be the best to buy? To make your pre-purchase research a little easier, we have recommended some best foot files for hard skin that'll make your pedicure session more easy and worthy. Colossal Pedicure foot file will be an ideal option for busy beauty freaks who want to skip the soaking. Colossal can be used on both wet and dry feet, so soaking won't be necessary for using this foot file. It is made of high-end materials with non-slip frosted texture to provide extra good grip. With a big, sharp stainless steel wavy pattern surface, Colossal removes every dead skin, calluses, and hardened skin from your feet. This foot file is also gently curved for use at any angle of your feet and easily smoothen hard-to-reach areas. BTArtbox Large Foot Rasp Colossal is made of professional surgical-grade premium stainless steel and anti-rust blades, which make it easy to use on both wet and dry feet. With an ergonomic non-slip handle, this professional foot file is designed with a wavy pattern surface, which helps you to easily remove the thick callus, bad heel, and tough deep skin, and let your feet become baby soft, smooth, and delightful again. For hard callous feet, ZIZZON Foot Care Pedicure can be a great option to have. ZIZZON is a 2-in-1 foot scraper that works as a razor too. With 2 different removable heads, you can use this foot file on both your hard callus and dead skin. Also, it's very convenient to change the blade or load the file head. ZIZZON is made of high-quality polished stainless steel with no rust or deform, so it'll last a long time. And the solid wood handle provides the most comfortable grip and smooth control over your heels. Also, it has 0.5mm gap precision for ensuring safety. If you're still afraid of using foot files with blades, then you may use Probelle Hypoallergenic Nickel Foot File. A long-lasting nickel metal surface foot file designed to be used on dry feet to instantly eliminate callus for soft and beautiful feet. This double-sided foot file callus remover has a medium and coarse side. Start with the coarse side on rough skin, then finish up with the medium side for smoother finish. Probelle is made of hypoallergenic and quality components and has a non-cutting finish. It is durable and lightweight in nature and comes with a long and smooth handle. Whoever has a light callus or few dead skins to remove may like to use Therapeutics Big Ceramic Foot File, as it easily smooths away calluses and hard, dry skins from feet. It has double-sided foot files with a coarse and fine dual ceramic surface design. Both sides are in different colors, so it becomes easy to identify. The green side has a coarse textured surface to efficiently buff away stubborn, hardened skin and calluses. On another side, the pink one has a finer surface to polish and treat rough skin patches with a more sensitive touch. That was all you needed to know about how to use a foot file and the best foot files for hard skin. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.